Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Vechain. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Vechain was trying to break down the support of a quite long down channel. And this was my last video, by the way, that I shared almost 24 hours ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that we had a long spike to the downside, but the price and did not break it down. Let me to remove this trend line, then it will be more visible for you. And you can see that we had a long spike. The price and did not break down the support of the channel, recovered back very soon, and now it is getting bounced from the support of the channel. At the same time, VChain is also getting bounced from this long-term support zone that starts from 2.66 cents and goes to 2.3 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this support zone has been breaking as a very, very strong resistance zone here, support zone here, and supports on here and here it worked as a resistance, here as a support, and now here again it is working as a very, very nice support. And in today's video we will analyze this move, but before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal worked, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for a near protocol, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal on 21st of May 2024. And you can also want the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click a play button available on every trading views chart, this one. And after clicking this button, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. You can see that the price line nicely moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone here. Now let me to take you to the live chart of VeChain. Here on this daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this channel. While moving inside this channel, we broke down this uptrend line support as well. That was working as support here, and here as well. And finally, after the breakdown, you can see it is flipped into a resistance and the price and got rejected by this uptrend line resistance and moved down. And now recently tested the support. And when it was testing the support, you can see we had a long spike to the downside, but I was telling you in my previous video that there is a bullish divergence flash on this chart as the price line is moving down and forming lower low. At the same time, you can see that stochastic oscillator is forming higher low than previous low. So this was a bullish divergence signal, and the price line is likely to follow the signal, did not break it down, and they covered back. And by the way, from this low to here, so far it has recovered almost 15%. And at the same time, we have also tested this quite long-term support zone that starts from 2.6 cents and goes to 2.3 cents as well. And this time, the resistance of the channel will be here, approximately at 3.2 cents, and slightly higher than this resistance. We have this quite strong and long-term resistance of 3.5 cents as well. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this 3.5 cents has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here. And before that, it had been breaking as a very, very strong support here and resistance here as well. Therefore, in order to continue this move to the upside, even after breaking out this channel, we will still need to break out this 3.5 cents resistance. And in case of breaking out this channel, the target to the upside will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 5.2 cents. And over there, we have another very, very strong resistance. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this very, very massive breakout that has already happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big falling wedge pattern, and that move is still due. You can see that so far, VeChain from this low to this high has rallied more than 317%, but still a very, very massive move due. And that target can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be between 27 cents to 30 cents. So this also update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.